Today's class is Common Neoplasms Introduction. Definition: a neoplasm or tumor is a growth of new cells which proliferate without relation to the needs of the body. The most important through processes which play a role are 1. Abnormal reproduction of cells, 2. Abnormal differentiation of cells. So the abnormal behavior of cells is of great significance. Few terms related to neoplasms. 1. Metaplasia. It is a condition in which there is a change in one differentiated tissue so that it resembles another type of a similarly differentiated tissue. Example: squamous cell metaplasia in gallbladder. In chronic cholecystitis, when it is accompanied by gallstones, the simple columnar epithelium of gallbladder may convert to squamous epithelium. Second one, dystrophy or dysplasia. This is defined as a disorder or abnormal development of tissue, structure or function. It's usually of a congenital type. Third one, anaplasia. It's sometimes seen in malignant neoplasms. It merely consists of a diffuse mass of irregular cells which do not resemble any normal tissue. Such complete undifferentiation is called anaplasia. Fourth one, teratomas. These are tumors arising from totipotent cells. That means the cells are all capable of differentiating into any of the tissues of the body. So in teratoma, representatives of each of the three germ layers, that is, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, must be present. In most of the cases, one peculiar tissue overgrows all the others. Example: teratomatous dermoid. It is one type of these tumors. They may be seen in the ovary, testis, superior mediastinum, etc. Such dermoid contains hair, teeth, muscle, gland tissue, etc. A peculiar type of sacrococcygeal teratoma may develop into a part of fetus and is considered as fetus in feto. Neoplasm types. It's of two types. 1. Benign or innocent. 2. Malignant. 1. Benign neoplasms. The cells which constitute this type of tumor show no tendency to invade the surrounding tissues. The excessive accumulation of cells produces an expanding lesion. These cells are covered by capsule, which is the characteristic feature of a benign tumor. Benign tumors proliferate slowly and show little evidence of mitosis. Characteristics of benign tumors. These tumors are well circumscribed and encapsulated. They are mostly smaller in size. The rate of growth is generally slow, usually exists for a longer period. They produces symptoms due to swelling and pressure effects on the surrounding structures. Ulceration and hemorrhage are rare in case of benign tumors. Benign tumors never show metastasis. Malignant neoplasms. Invasiveness is the hallmark of malignancy. The tumor edge is therefore ill-defined. Malignant tumors metastasize. Characteristic features of malignant neoplasms: invasiveness, rapid growth, they always metastasize. Microscopically, it shows mitotic activity. It is associated with anemia, malnutrition, and cachexia due to excess of blood loss. More prone to ulcerate and bleed. Few secrete hormones. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.